Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, Standard 8, video number 51, Cubes and Cube Roots, section A, easy, let's start. Find the value of x. So this is x and we have to find the value. Basically we have to solve this. So cube root of minus 2744 divided by cube root of 0.0008. See here, square root of minus is not possible, but cube root of minus is possible, right? So just check 2744 factorization method. 2 into 1372 into then 2 into 2 into 686 then 2 into 2 into 343. Now this cube we must know. See this is 2 into 2 into 2 and 343 is cube of 7. That's why I say learn cubes up to 15 by heart. Okay. So what is the expression then? Cube root of minus 2744. This will become what? Minus this 2 into 7, right? Because this is minus, so cube root will always be minus. Remember, cube root of any number which is minus will always be minus. It can be plus or minus, right? Okay. So minus 2 into 7, minus 2 over here and 7 over here, divided by this. Now cube root of 0.008. Cube root of 8 is what? 2. Point means there are 3 cube root and there are 3 places after the point, so that will become 1, so it is 0.2. So what is the expression? Minus 2 upon into 7 means minus 14, multiply, divide becomes multiply and this goes down, so 0.2. Take point out, so it becomes 140, minus 140 upon 2, that is minus 70. So x equals to 70, that is the answer, right? Next, find the value of what? 45 cube minus 65 cube minus 20 cube. This is what we have to find. Now this, to watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.